Hello everyone. Thank you for inviting me to this event, and I am very excited to present to you VIS Wooden Vertical Farms, the world's most sustainable and intelligent vertical farming concept. We are an Aalto University research to business project, and we are funded by Business Finland. For the last 3 years, we have been developing a sustainable vertical farming concept that is based on an Aalto University wood construction innovation. In short, the VIS construction tech combines high-end wood engineering with vacuum insulation, enabling us to build large-scale wooden construction elements that thrive even in extremely humid conditions, such as in the indoor farming. During our research to business project, we have been collaborating with a wide network of experts in the field, and we are soon able to offer a turnkey vertical farming solution to anywhere in the world. Our first pilot vertical farm is just about to start running at Luke's research site at Piikkiö, and later in this pitch I will tell you about our next big move. But before going to the problem that we are solving, I would like to briefly introduce the concept of vertical farming, since it is still a rather novel concept. In a nutshell, vertical farming is an efficient and data-driven way of producing food within the cities. Plants are grown under LED lights in several layers, and the cultivation area is completely isolated from the outside world. And this makes the indoor microclimate completely controllable and safe from outdoor weather phenomena. And from this concept picture, we can see how important collaboration is in vertical farming industry. Expertise is needed in countless fields, including energy, data, construction, plant production, climate control, etc. And now let's move to the problems that we are solving. So as we all know, the global population is growing and the environment is getting harder and harder for farming. At the same time, we are running out of water, fertilizers, farmable land area, and people willing to work as farmers. This means that we will need new scalable food production methods that require less resources. Vertical farming has the potential to be such a solution, as vertical farms can produce hundreds of times more food per square meter while only using 1% of water compared to the traditional farming. As great as this sounds, vertical farming is not yet a silver bullet that solves all the problems, as it still is in an early phase, and it comes with very high investment costs, unsustainable material choices, and worries about the energy needed for artificial lighting. So how are we going to solve the remaining problems of the vertical farming concept? We believe that the key is to bring together all the relevant stakeholders and co-create a holistic solution that takes full advantage of smart city integration, circular economics, and smart energy and data solutions. We aim to do this by bringing all the stakeholders under the same roof by building a wooden VIS vertical farm into Otaniemi campus area, starting from 2022. The facility will act as a platform for all interested parties, and we hope it will inspire groundbreaking research in the year. We have to join us, and the reception has been very enthusiastic so far. We have also the backing of Aalto University, and multiple large and small scale industry players are collaborating with us, and we are now in the process of planning, fundraising, and finding even more partners. We have already set in motion multiple research projects to further improve our concept, and amongst them we have a solution that could offset a large part of the energy used by LED lights. Vertical farms are large-scale heat net producers because of the LED lights, and the current standard solution is to use air conditioning to pump the excess heat out. Our goal in Otaniemi is to reverse this scheme, and instead of blasting the heat into the wild, we plan to capture it and feed it into the local district heating system. This way we can turn what others consider waste into a valuable resource and cut down our energy consumption by over 50%. In addition to smart energy solutions, we have been paying great focus into data solutions. we have found excellent partners that help us plan and execute data intelligent farms, and we have planned multiple research topics that will utilize machine learning and machine vision techniques to help us turn all the incoming data from our platform into new valuable knowledge. So the Otaniemi platform will be built out of our new VIS tech, meaning that we will be building the first large-scale wooden vertical farm in the world. This will be a significant step towards more sustainable material solutions, as the competitors use materials such as concrete and steel in building the current vertical farms. And also, with the help of our partners, we have designed and are ready to execute the most energy efficient and intelligent vertical farming concept in the world by taking advantage of such innovations as heat reuse and energy side demand flex. And on top of the energy and data related innovations, we have been groundbreaking research topics with our partners that could lead to new business models in the future. Some interesting topics to mention are research of protein-rich plant production and the use of vertical farming in producing raw materials for pharmaceuticals industry. So the VIS concept has unique properties that make it stand among the competition. We have the patent pending VIS construction tech that enables us to build modular, large-scale wooden vertical farms, as well as innovative energy solutions that makes our farm use less energy and provide energy demand flexibility to the local grid. We have also a wide network of cooperation and co-creation, enabling us to design a holistic concept that combines all the best solutions in the industry. Furthermore, we believe that the ecosystem built in Otaniemi will spawn numerous new innovations and business models in the future. Excuse me. And to summarize this up, even though vertical farming has challenges that need to be addressed, it has the potential to be a game changer in the global food production mix. We believe that this can only be achieved by bringing all the stakeholders together, and we believe that we can do just that in the Otaniemi platform. We believe now that we have all the pieces needed to make the next leap of efficiency happen in vertical farming. The planning phase is already in motion, and we are always looking for more collaborators. So if you're interested in joining this ecosystem, drop us an email. And thank you very much for listening.
Okay, thank you. I think there is so much that could be opened up within that presentation to explain what is going on, and you did an excellent job in doing that in 7 minutes. Is Pano online? Okay, then maybe one quick question that would be related to that. You know, this now is a trial within Otaniemi, and you actually, there is such demand for this. Do you see that you're only looking for collaborators within Finland or overseas?
Panu, did you hear that?
Maybe you could give me a lyhennelmä tästä kysymyksestä.
Are you looking for collaborators also overseas?
Yes. So this is a global scheme, so we are not planning the solution just for Finland. So it's also as important to have this kind of solution in the hot areas, so Asia, Africa, the Americas, everything is in place. So this is a global solution.
Okay, I think in interest of time and the technical issues we have, I think we'll move forward. But thank you, Panu. And as you had on one of your slides, a simple message of wow, that I think sums it up really nicely.